Good evening to all the participants. Live demo. This is the third live demo, and we are launching our second course relevant to finance and in the field of finance and using the technology of Power BI. So I welcome you all to this live session in Power BI. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Kashif, and I'm a member of Institute of Cost and Management Accountants of Pakistan since 2005. I have overall experience of around 16 to 17 years of experience, and I have worked in almost all the areas which is relevant to finance, make it bookkeeping or corporate finance, business development, procurement, payroll, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and analysis as well, business process analysis, internal audit, financial modeling, capacity building, data analytics, data visualization is kind of a part of it. So this is a little bit about me. I'm also the founder and managing partner of Kaizen Analytic LLP. Now, I'm also a Udemy instructor, and I've launched my course on advanced sales analytics for decision making with Power BI. It was launched in April this year, and it is enrolled by over 16,600 students worldwide, over 145 countries as well. So it has a review of 4.5 as an instructor review. So that is a little bit about me, my company. Now let's start this live demo. It is divided into 4 parts. The first part is the training workshop. The second is our training methodology. The third is actual live demo of the training course, and the fourth is relevant to you. Your questions will be answered on this one. So let's start with this one. Our first, the training side. So this is a course which is relevant to business and finance professionals, and it is focused on dynamic financial decision making. In this course, the learning objective before making this course and designing this course was to use the raw data and extract insight from that raw data. That is the first thing. You can apply the learning in your professional working with our unique training methodology. We will discuss detail our unique training methodology in the next phase. You will learn key features of business intelligence tools of Microsoft. There are a number of tools of business intelligence in a market. Microsoft has its tool with the name of Power BI, Power Business Intelligence. And there is another tools like Tableau, ClickSense. So Microsoft Power BI is kind of a leader in those tools. And you will learn the key feature of Power BI, and also you learn the soul of data analytics, that is the DAX, data analysis expression. It is a language which is as a business and finance professional, we tend to use pivot charts, pivot tables, and Excel quite a more, because I'm also an Excel user from the very beginning of my career. So I'm using those if and nested if analysis, and using all those parameters in Excel. So this language, the DAX language, is also applicable in Excel as well. So it is, so for those person who are working in Excel, they can easily learn the language of DAX. And DAX is the prime language. M language is also used in Power BI, but DAX is the prime language which is used in Power BI, and which is the heart and soul of data analytics. Data visualization is a separate thing. So data analytics, part of data analytics is the soul of DAX. Now let's what the participant will learn in this course. This is specially designed for business and finance professionals. So it is all about their concepts which they are working. In our previous course, we did work on financial reporting and analysis. It was based on financial reporting, like creating income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, and doing some bringing some artificial intelligence tools in the analysis. by using key influencer and other tools like decision tree and Q&A. So in our previous course, we have done this one. So this course is developed on top of that one, and it will work on top of that working. That is, it will not only we will have the dynamic ratio analysis with advanced analytics, we will also do a DuPont analysis, which is kind of a heart and soul of any company performance. Apart from this one, we will use the scenario analysis techniques. We are if you are working in analysis and in financial modeling, we tend to do scenario analysis and sensitivity analysis. Both of those are done in financial modeling quite frequently. They are part and parcel of it. So we will do scenario analysis which is relevant to financial ratios, and also we will apply this scenario analysis technique in a whole business case. We will work on a complete data set as a whole, and I will show you the live demo of this course. After that, we will that is who should attend this course. If you have a zero knowledge of Power BI, you are more than welcome to attend this course, because it is developed for those persons who are beginners and who don't know Power BI from the beginning. So we will develop all the concepts from a very basic level and move up on the ladder. So any level of business and finance professional are more than welcome to join this course. Now, the important part, our training methodology. We don't believe in passive teaching methods like lecture or reading or visuals. So our teaching method has something on top of it. We do provide the live training session in which the instructor perform one task, and then the instructor wait for a few minutes and allow all the participants to perform that task. If that task, if any of the participant is facing any difficulty in performing that task, then we allow the participants to share their screen. So they can share their screen, and we allow them to eliminate the problem which they are facing. So we guide them accordingly, and then we move on. So that is our training methodology, and our training methodology is very different, because we first we tend to learn from the demo data set, and then it is the time of learning by implementation stage, where the participant will choose one dashboard from their professional reporting. Then we believe in learning by implementation method. So the trainer conduct in series of one-to-one session with the participant, where the participant choose one dashboard of which they are working in their professional career for reporting purpose. So the trainer will assist that participant to prepare that dashboard for reporting purpose in Power BI, and to reduce time and also effort, and to extract more of the analytics using power capability of Power BI. So this is our training methodology. The whole phase, it is in 2 phases. So we won't leave the participant after the 3 days of training. We will work with the participants for at least we will have 2 or 3 sessions or even more if the participant is not feeling, or it's not grabbing the concepts. So we won't leave the participant, and we will definitely ensure that he is on a learning path. Now it's time for a demo data set. Let's dive deep into the demo. First, so this is the first demo dashboard which we will be creating. It is a basic one, and if you can see, we have done some basic ratio analysis using a demo data set, and also we have done a DuPont analysis. So it is a very very simple and very clean dashboard. This is our first dashboard. It you can review all the information with years, and definitely these are important things because you can set the goals as well, and it will give the percentage, and the color will also change if it is the goal is achieved or not. So if you are working in an organization where you set all the goals, so the goal is it should be above 3%. So it should, if it is not at 3% or above 3%, it is red, and if it achieve the goal, so it is 4, so it is green. So this is, and this is a capability of the Power BI and the KPI tools. And also you can see in this format, these two are similar. So if you can just click over here, so these numbers will change accordingly as per the years. So this is also one of the important features where you can also write the text and the numbers can be dynamic according to the chart. And this chart is a DuPont analysis chart where three indicators are used: revenue over revenue by capital employed, GP over revenue, and EBIT over GP. So you can slice and dice your business performance in these three areas, and all the business have their own requirements. So you can work on this one, and we'll discuss DuPont analysis and how you can conduct DuPont analysis in Power BI. And we will also explore some features of Power BI visualization features, like you can see it is a card, and you can also review it in bar charts. So you can review the bar charts of in a quarterly basis. So it can be done in each quarter, and also it can be, you can see all the quarters, and the colors will give you which is the highest one, which is the lowest one. So this is kind of a very cool feature in Power BI. This is and I must admit that this is kind of a basic features of visualization in Power BI. So you can review it in line charts, and you can review it in card. So this is a technique which we will be teaching all the participants. Then second is after this one, this is reviewing the past one. So then we will jump to the basics of scenario analysis, and we will break down this profitability analysis in different types or different parts. So we will conduct scenario analysis using revenue scenario, cost of goods sold scenario, OPEX scenario, and interest and tax scenario. So you can see we have the same profitability ratios over here. It is lined up in different manner, and if you can change the revenue to 2%, so you can see all the indicators changed accordingly, and you can plan your business in a same manner. So this is just changing one indicator. And you can also change cost of goods sold. So cost of goods sold increased definitely is it is an expense. So increase is not in a positive manner. So it is also changing as per the nature of that indicator. Revenue is increase is better, and expense increase is definitely not in the better one. So definitely the indicator is 65. It is below 65, so it is in positive, and if it is higher than 65, so it is in negative. So this is a kind of basic feature of finance, but you can visualize it as if you just change one parameter, and if you can change multiple parameters to see what are the results. And these are all dynamic, and if you have the ability and you have the in ERP, so you can also connect this dashboard with the live ERP, and this will give the feedback in a live manner. So these are different parameters, and we will this is kind of a basic of using the scenario analysis. So we will explore this scenario analysis in detail in a step-by-step manner, how to make this scenario analysis, working of the scenario analysis. Then we will not stop over here. We will go further, and apart from this one, we will do a scenario analysis in a much more complex data, where we have a retail sales of, it is kind of a retail sale of over 14,000, 15,000 rows. And then there is a budget, there's a data range, grouping. So we will also do the grouping techniques over here. So we'll use this data set to create this dashboard, and we will run and we will do it in a step-by-step manner. So we will do a business performance scenario analysis, which is dynamic in nature as far as data is concerned, and also which is dynamic in nature as far as you can see if you can change the pricing scenario, and you can change the demand scenario. So what is the overall change over here? It is also, you can slice and dice as per products. You want to see 2 or 3 products, so you can see 2 or 3 products and their cumulative sales and cumulative sales scenario, their monthly, country wise, and what are the sales and customer wise. So you can do all the various analysis in a demo data set, and definitely this is it is a learning path. So you will learn from this demo data set, and you will apply it in your working, in your actual working, and the trainer will assist you. The word assist is important. The trainer will assist you in the application of these techniques in your data set. So these are the 3 demo data set. These are the 3 dashboards which in which we are working, and it will take and I'll give you the details in the next slide. So after this demo data set, the whole overall course flow is that we will start on 18th September. It is a Friday. So if you have completed your registration, we will email all the files of database and a 50-page manual. It is a manual of which cover each and every step in detail. So we'll email that one in the afternoon, and it will be in the evening. The session will be Friday evening as per Pakistan Standard Time. So the session will be starting from 18th. It will be 19th full day, and 20th it will be on 2 sessions. So we can have the afternoon session if it is required, or it is completed in morning. So we'll conclude it morning. Apart from this one, in the next week from 21st to 25th, we will edit the videos, and we will provide the videos and the PBIX, this Power BI files, to all the participants along with the e-certificates. And in the month of October and November, we will work with each and every participant in one-to-one session, and we will help them to implement the learning of this course in their environment. So it is a 12-hour course spread over 3 days: Friday evening, Saturday, and Sunday full day. Saturday afternoon is a reserve time. On Sunday afternoon is a reserve time. It can be utilized, or if it is closed earlier, so it will be closed earlier. It is a participatory method of training, where not only the trainer works, but also the participants also work, and we go slowly. It is delivered on Zoom, and it has a practical implementation of learning. This course is offered for this first batch, which is the only batch in September, on 30% off. So after in the month of October, we'll charge the full one. The dates and times are here. It is on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday evening, Saturday full day, Sunday definitely full day. The afternoon session is a reserve time. If you want to register, you can email us on this email ID, or you can also approach us on LinkedIn. So as far as the fee structure of this course is concerned, For participants located in Pakistan, it is a 7,000 fee for this September, and participants located outside Pakistan, it is 70 USD. This is a discounted fee, and in the month of September only. In October, it will be on the higher side, and this fee include the e-certificate, recording of overall course, all the sessions, a complete 50 plus page manual, demo dataset with course and PPT slides, and also the important thing, the one-to-one sessions in which you will work with the instructor, the trainer on your dataset, and he will guide you to convert your dataset into Power BI. So this is from my side, and now I am open to all the questions. And if there are any questions, you can unmute your mic and you can ask questions.